Oh, hi guys. Welcome again to the the Forex PhD podcast, or the PhD Forex podcast. Anyone. But I think let's call it the Forex PhD podcast. And in this week again, I'm going to take you through the trades I've taken for the month of March. And I think this was quite a profitable month because I made my target. So usually I target about 6R or 5R RR. Again, RRR will mean what? Okay, I think if you've been following, you'll say to your mind, it means risk to reward ratio. So I try to get 6 RR, and then I risk 2% for my prop firm accounts all across board. And then for the accounts I try to flip, which is not advisable to do, of which again I'm saying I'm not advising you to do whatever I'm doing. You can do the same things I'm doing and it might not work for you, but I hope that you would find your way in the market and get profitable at your strategy. So I put in about 20%. I risked about 20% of my account for the flip accounts, and then I try to see if I will make that amount in the month. So let's hop onto the chart to see the trades I took, the zones, and my entries, just as you have seen in previous videos. Let's go. So this is the 1st of March, and I think I had the zone marked out for the 8th of March. We'll just go to our entry time frame. Again, in your mind, you should know what that is by now. Is the 5 minutes time frame. So let's just go back. So the first day, anytime I have a good trade on the first day of the month, I'm always kind of happy, man. Who's not going to be happy? And so, because I'm just looking for, when I have the first trade go my way, I'm just looking for 2% more. Sorry, 4%. So I'm just looking for 2 RR more and I'm done. So let's see. So we had this high that was formed during the pre-New York session, which becomes my higher high or previous high. So I want this sort of liquidity to be taken, and this black candle took away liquidity, and so I took an entry here, put it at not 8 pips. I think I used 7 pips really, because the zone is just there. So I think I used 7 pips. Yep. And so this was a cool trade in less than 2 hours, and I was done. So usually I set it probably, this was about 7:20. This is around the time I'm trying to go to school and stuff like that. So usually I set on my phone, but I'll try to take screenshots of when I enter trades from the month of April. In the month of April, if I have the time, or in the month of May, in the month of May. So you can see, and I'm going to show screenshots and let you see, be transparent as much as I can. I know people might not believe, but it is what it is. So, this is +3. Very early, the first day of the month. Like, I have noticed that with the strategy that I think the first days of the month. So usually what I do is that the day before the first day of the month, I try to sleep. I try to see how I can clear my schedule to just ensure that that first day, meets me well, as they say. Just the zone marked out. There was no particular trade on this day, so I did not trade this particular day. I think this day too, this week was just annoying. This was the zone I was eyeing, but there was no trade, so I did not trade on that day. So again, there's sometimes I don't trade for days. And just waiting for the perfect shoot. So this one actually is funny in that this zone, I had marked it out quite a long time, and I expected the price would get in here, and then probably this would tap into this zone. So I could not take any of this because, come on, I didn't know what price was going to do, so I did not take this trade. If we had seen a reversal into this zone, to tap this zone, man, I would have gone in for my 1 to 3 as always. methodological. It's a rinse and repeat process. It just happens over and over again. I think I'm missing something. Let me just check my let me check the data I have, my Excel sheet. So the next one was on the 6th. Oh, sure. I think I took this trade, but why is it not showing? Because let me see. Where's March on the 6th? 5 and 6th. Yes, I took the sell. Yes, because this was it. So I took a sell here. So let me just draw this. Why is it not showing? So let me just put this here. So let me show you. We had this zone on the 6 hours, this one, but this one did not tap in here, as I said. So I think I was here. Yeah, I remember it was on the 6th, and then I came in here on the 5 minutes. 2 sweet trades. I think the third day was also a good trade, but I mean, I was done for the month. So yes, perfect. So what did I expect to see when markets came in here? I think I was eyeing this zone too, but it did not work out. So when it came in here, I'm always looking for the last was the entry. Once we have 33% taken, I'm looking for either a fair value gap if it is not taken. But since it has been taken into, much discounted zones, I'm looking for the last up candle before I take a sell. And this was the last one. I always want my strategy to be, it should not be too complex for people not to see it. This was the last one. So where will I put in my sell? So I had my sell here. And then we now have 11 pips. But I think I'll first use 12, then I'll change it to 11 just before I take the trade. And I take the trade on my phone. Then we had this, rally between these two zones, and boom, it hit take profit. And so having this two, we have 6 RR already in the month. So this is another +3, which is a 12% if you're risking 2%. And mind you, I'm done. I'm just done. I'm done. Yep. And that's how I trade, really. So that's another 12% for the month of March. I mean, on the 6th, I was done. I could focus on other things. I could, pick up many other things. And I'm building this to work so that eventually when I'm done with my PhD, I could, venture into work and also trade on the side. Yep. Just before you go, I know you've gotten a lot of value from this video. Also, click on the link, which will be posted somewhere here, to join our engineering couple podcast, where I and my wife, try to motivate people on how to, on our journey as people, and also to interview others to see their journey, their career journey as engineers or as grad students in the United States, or an international student. And this is something we have much passion for. We also try to teach people some of the skills we have. Again, until the next video and the next month, we hope to have a favorable month. This is just a reminder: stick to your strategies, stick to your rules. I had a bad month in February, -1, and I came back with a 12%. So if I can do it, you can do it. And I believe and I trust in your capabilities. Till the next time, have a good